What if I told you that muscle loss after 50 isn't a life sentence but a choice you can reverse starting today? The truth is, your body doesn't have an expiration date for building strength. While it's true that we naturally lose muscle mass as we age, science shows that the right exercises can rebuild and even increase muscle at any age. The problem isn't your age. The problem is that most people are doing the wrong exercises or avoiding strength training altogether out of fear or misinformation. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 most effective exercises that will help you rebuild muscle after 50, and I promise these aren't complicated gym routines that require expensive equipment or hours of your time. Let's start with exercise number 1, the goblet squat. This single movement is a game changer for your entire lower body and core. Unlike traditional barbell squats that can strain your back, the goblet squat keeps the weight in front of your chest, which naturally encourages proper form and protects your spine. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest with both hands. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width. As you lower down, think about sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and your weight in your heels. Go as low as your mobility allows, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the ground, then drive through your heels to stand back up. This exercise targets your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core all at once. For those over 50, the goblet squat is perfect because it builds functional strength for everyday activities like getting up from a chair or picking things up from the ground. Start with 2 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions 3 times per week. As you get stronger, increase the weight gradually. Exercise number 2 is the resistance band row. After 50, posture becomes increasingly important, and nothing combats the forward slouch of modern life better than strengthening your back muscles. Resistance bands are ideal because they provide constant tension throughout the movement without the joint stress of heavy weights. Secure a resistance band around a sturdy post at chest height. Hold both handles and step back until you feel tension. Stand with a slight bend in your knees, core engaged. Pull the handles toward your rib cage, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the end of the movement. Keep your elbows close to your body and avoid shrugging your shoulders. This exercise strengthens your lats, rhomboids, and rear deltoids while improving posture and reducing shoulder pain. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions 3 times per week. The beauty of resistance bands is that you can easily adjust the difficulty by stepping further back or using a thicker band. Exercise number 3 is the push-up progression. Push-ups are the ultimate upper body builder, working your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core simultaneously. But here is the key for our age group. You do not need to start on the floor. Begin with wall push-ups if you are just starting out. Place your hands on a wall at shoulder height and perform the pushing motion. As you build strength, progress to countertop push-ups, then bench push-ups, and eventually floor push-ups. The elevated versions reduce the load while still building serious strength. Focus on keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels, lowering until your chest nearly touches the surface, then pressing back up with control. Aim for 3 sets of as many quality repetitions as you can manage, 3 times per week. Here is what makes these 3 exercises so powerful together. They hit every major muscle group, they are scalable to any fitness level, and they build functional strength that translates directly to daily life. You do not need a gym membership or fancy equipment. Consistency beats intensity every single time, especially after 50. Your muscles are waiting to respond. They are ready to grow stronger. The only question is whether you will give them the stimulus they need. Start with these 3 exercises this week. Your future self will thank you. Now I want to hear from you. Drop your age in the comments below and tell me which of these 3 exercises you are committing to try first.